Hey guys, my name is Danielle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you what I got in my Boxycharm for January and try it on for you. So if you want to see what I got and what the makeup look I come up with, keep on watching. And this is my Kunta. She wanted to make her debut today. So the first thing I got in my box was the Glam Metals palette by Crown, and it looks like this inside. And for today, I'm just going to dip on into the Winky Looks kitten palette we got in our Boxycharm like 2 months ago. And I'm just going to take the vanilla shade here and put that in my crease. For my next shade, I'm just going to take the muddy brown shade right here and put that on my outer edge. Now I'm just going to go into the Glam Metals palette that we got in this month's Boxycharm, and I'm going to take Rock On and put that on my lid. So this is without setting spray. It's pigmented. It does have fallout, but that's okay. We can wipe it up at the end. But it's an okay palette. I mean, I'm still not the biggest fan on it not having transition shades and more matte shades, but overall, I mean, it's a good palette to have for shimmer shades. So I'm going to take my brush and just spray it with some setting spray. So, yes. And I'm sorry my lighting's weird. Like, I don't understand why I got shadow when I'm trying to do my makeup. I don't know. I tried fixing it and I couldn't. So this is what we're doing until I can figure out what's going on. So I'm going to go back into the Winky Looks palette and deepen up my outer edge with that brown. Anyways, my thoughts on the palette. Wish I had more matte shades, but it's a really good add-on to your collection. And next we got in our box for January is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. And it's Illuminate Primer, so gonna put this on my face. It's in a squeezy tube. Next is concealer, and I'm just going to use the usual Milani Retouch and Erase in a shade 02 and put that on my T-zone. I'm just going to take a little Tarte Shape Tape and Shed Light and put that over my blemishes, because this girl right here is having some breakouts for some reason. To set that, I'm just going to use a usual airspun powder and set that. I am always shopping things! Surprise! Next in the box is the IT Brow Power in the shade Universal Taupe. And it looks like that. Ooh, it has a spoolie. And then it's just a pencil on the end. I usually use a brow powder. Ugh, got some on my eye. Usually I use the Brow Gal eyeshadow powders for my eyebrows. I just fill them in, but today's gonna be a different day and we're gonna use a pencil. So, we'll see how this goes. Well, that was weird and difficult. I don't hate it. I don't love it. So I got mixed feelings. But I'm going to keep trying it out and see if it's better than filling it in once I get the hang of it. So I got the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Ooh, what's that? So it looks like this. I've already put my hands in it, swatching it, so I know the highlight's really creamy. The bronzer, I don't know. I don't do shimmer bronzer. I only do matte, really. And the blush, hopefully it's not as pigmented on the cheeks as it is as a swatch. So, we'll see about that. Probably not going to use the bronzer. But for blush, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, let's tap it off. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I look like a clown. Okay. Let's like tap this off just a smidge, and then blend it out. Ooh, it's got a sheen to it, like. You almost don't even need highlight. What am I saying? You all need highlight. And a little too much, but that is so pretty. It's definitely got a sheen to it. Very pretty. I'm gonna take my brush I used to set my face and tone that down a little. Oh god, that ain't working. That's better. Okay, so now we're gonna use the highlight. Alright. Oh my. Do you see that? Oh my god, that's beautiful. Woo! You really don't need to even spray that to even make it pop. I don't know what kind of voice that was. Anyways, the last thing we got in the box is the matte lip paint by Galactic Girl, and it looks like that. In the shade Demure, and I don't normally do lip products except chapstick, so I'm not going to try it on. I'm just going to donate it to my best friend because she'll make more use out of it than I will. So I'm going to finish my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. My thoughts on this box was really like A+. I loved it. The only thing is that I wish the palette had more matte shades. Everything else besides the bronzer, wasn't the biggest fan on the bronzer. Didn't try it, but I mean, I could tell by the way it looked, and my preferences is that I'm not gonna use it. But other than that, I love this month's box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to see my next video. Bye!